What's up, guys? Fresco BK live here at Stadium Goods. We're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Seoul area. So please feel free to pull up. Got another unboxing look for you guys today. Yeezy, once again, the Yeezy 700 Geode. So this year we've seen the Inertia, we've seen the Salt, we've even seen Static. But today we're talking Geode. So say less of all this talking. Let's get straight to these shoes. Standard 700 box top, which is classic on most Yeezy 700 styles. And please let me know what you think in the comments. But here we have the Yeezy 700 Geode. If you guys are familiar with the various 700 styles, they feature a variety of different materials throughout. So we have right here in the toe area, we have the leather overlay with the 3M underlay and also the mesh underlay. Right there features the suede. So right in the small toe box area, you'll see pretty much all the materials. And as we get to the outer panel, once again, the mesh, and just above the midsole features the leather overlay along with the suede. You guys will see the 3 stripes here with a mesh underlay, and I believe these 3 stripes are also 3M. So let's transition to the back panel. Features the leather overlay with the 3M underlay and also more suede and mesh right there on the back. Transition into the inner panel. Same materials as the outer panel, but the midsole here, pretty much a solid gray midsole throughout, like a charcoal gray midsole. And let's get to the outsole. One of my favorite parts of the shoe, of course. I love the gum outsoles, and thank you guys for liking and sharing all of our videos. But got the gum outsole with the Boost underlay that you guys can see there. And let me get to the tongue area, pretty much standard tongue, mesh tongue right there. And then features the laces right here, which I believe are 3M in the laces. And of course, the left foot features the hang tag. And I will give you guys one last look at the Geode Yeezy 700 version 2. So we've had the Static version 2, and we have the Geode, which is set to release. To my left, which I'm gonna show you guys in my hand, is the Static 700, also the version 2. Both released in 2019, but please let me know what you guys think in the comments of which 700 is your favorite. We going back to Wave Runners, or even if we go into the straight 2019 edition. So there's the Salt, Inertia, now the Geode, and also the Static. But all of them are available right here at Stadium Goods, and we're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. So please feel free to pull up. Thank you guys for liking and sharing all of our videos. We genuinely appreciate it. Please follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms. Make sure you guys download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and on Android. And finally, if you have any questions or inquiries regarding Yeezy, regarding anything sneakers, please visit stadiumgoods.com. I am Fresco BK, and salud.